Take your Toyota LandCruiser 300 series to the next level with Pedders. With a range of suspension lift kits, GVM upgrades and high-performance brake products, Pedders can take the performance of your LandCruiser to new heights both on and off-road. Whether you're after increased ground clearance from a lift kit, improved handling off-road, or simply need to restore your ride height after fitting a heavy bull bar or other accessories, Pedders has you covered with suspension upgrades to suit LandCruiser 300 series models. Pedders lift kits are engineered to improve off-road capability and overall vehicle handling on tough tracks, thanks to increased ride height and larger shock absorber bore size. This popular upgrade will not only exceed the factory specifications off-road, but on-road you'll experience a smoother ride and greater stability when towing or carrying big loads. Want to take it further? Opting to add Pedders foam cell shock absorbers will also provide your vehicle with significantly reduced shock fade over rough terrain thanks to the closed foam cell system, which stops oil and air mixing with the shock, preventing cavitation and shock fade. Depending on your application, Pedders can tailor a kit to your desired ride heights and vehicle weights. When a vehicle is raised, it can disrupt the factory set steering geometry, causing caster and camber angles to be outside OEM specifications. Pedders 4x4 extreme upper control arms countered this issue by maintaining a desirable geometry while giving clearance for increased wheel and tyre size. The extreme upper control arms are made from heavy-duty tubular steel and are engineered for maximum durability in harsh conditions. The Pedders GVM upgrade truly takes your 300 series LandCruiser to another level of load carrying capability. A Pedders GVM kit takes the 300 series certified GVM rating to a massive 4,090 kilograms, providing up to 810 kilograms of additional payload capacity. If you load up your 4x4 with heavy accessories or you're regularly towing or carrying heavy loads, this is the perfect upgrade for you. Even better, our GVM upgrades include heavy-duty coil springs, foam cell shock absorbers, extreme upper control arms, and an optional brake pad upgrade to improve your stopping power. If you only occasionally use your 300 series to tow or carry heavy loads, Pedders airbags might be the perfect solution for your needs. Pedders airbag kits are durable, reliable, and perfect for those seeking improved comfort and stability when loading their vehicle. Pedders also offer a range of brake upgrades to take your LandCruiser's braking performance to the next level. Our slotted and geomet-coated brake rotors provide improved cooling capacity to prevent brake fade after repeated hard stops, crucial if you're towing or carrying a heavy load. Pedders geomet coating also protects your brakes against corrosion, ensuring many miles of optimal braking performance. Combine Pedders slotted rotors with Kevlar ceramic high-performance brake pads and you'll have confidence in your brake pedal every single time. Pedders' range of Toyota LandCruiser 300 series upgrades can improve your vehicle in just about every aspect of its handling performance. And a team of experts are here to provide you with expert advice and provide solutions to fit your unique needs. Visit pedders.com.au today and make every journey a better journey.